All right, she's no stranger to the smile set. Ital vegan goddess Madonna is here to help us celebrate World Vegan Day, a day that raises awareness of the benefits for human health, animal welfare, and environmental sustainability. Good morning, my friend. Good to see you.
Good morning, my friend.
Well,
thanks for having me again. You're not tired of me?
No, Mom, I love you. Oh, I can't tired of you. We spoke before about when you started this journey. I want you to tell the story, but it has something to do with the crowning of His Majesty. That back in 1930, he was crowned. And what? Tell me the story.
Actually, we started out as Ital, which is coming from Rastafari. That's why I became an Italist, and now they call it vegan. So tomorrow, the 2nd of November, His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie was crowned King of Kings and Lord of Lords. And what makes it different, he has his wife crowning. And it is out of that culture that us as Rastafarians started eating Ital food. So we have to give credit to the vegan now. Vegan started around like 1944. One man come up with that idea. So they want to call it vegan, and then a lot of people run with it now. So vegan people are not necessarily that healthy. Some of them are healthy eaters, while some of them really don't like the killing of animals.
Ital and vegan is two different things?
Kind of. The same thing that we don't eat meat and we don't kill the animals and we eat healthy. But you have some vegan, like life is broken down into percentage. A percentage of them, they will eat anything apart from meat, which not necessarily healthy. That's why you can see somebody say them are vegan, but they may be oversized or all of that, the amount of carbs they eat and all of that. But you have another percentage of them that really eat healthy.
So you personally, how long ago did you start this?
If me tell you, I go figure out my age. I don't want you to do that.
You don't have to just say 10 or 20
all right,
years.
Then. So I started eating Ital food way back in the 80s. So it's about 40 odd years now. I haven't eaten fish for about 20-something years. And 40 odd years not eating any meat.
Okay. And how do you feel? As
Excellent.
Opposed to how you felt before you started this journey. Is there a big difference?
Yeah. Actually, I remember 2020, I went to America and I got a broken bone. And the doctor said I have to do a surgery. I said, Doc, I really can't manage that, you know. So he said, if you don't do the surgery, we're not sure about how you're going to heal. And I went on my own journey. And when I went back to him, he said, what you doing? I said, I'm eating my greens. I'm eating my sea moss that is good for bones. And I researched everything. And I said, this is my lifestyle. And I'm healthy. My daughter, Tanoi, we should know Tanoi.
Yeah.
Tanoi is a sickle. They said, Nak, Tanoi have sickle cell. The doctor told me when I was like 30-something years ago, when we found out that she had sickle cell, she had a temperature and it just getting higher and higher, and all they were giving her is antibiotic. And as a young mom, the doctor looked at me and said, she's not going to live for 18. I guess the doctor didn't know better herself. And I went home, didn't have anything to research, but I just started use the plants. And today I have a granddaughter. Tanai is doing fine. The rest is her to come.
I know Tanai. Before you tell me what you brought here, personally, you don't eat anything else?
No, Rasta, nothing in a feather, we not fly, we not swim, we not...
Nothing else?
Nothing, strictly plants. Because people always, the only thing people think about is where you get the protein.
Yeah, you use the word...
It's not protein alone we need, you know.
You used the word research before. Mm-hmm. So when did you become an Ital chef? And how did you know you were doing it the right way? Or is this just Madonna's way?
So I became an Ital chef because back then, when you go out, there was not much Ital things to eat. And the people them who really doing it, most of the time they're only doing it for money, not for the love and giving you all that you really need. So if you see if you realize I do callaloo lasagna, because back then when we say we are Rasta, we are eat Ital, only callaloo and cabbage and stew peas, and then we say Ras, That you eat, you go dead, man. Now the thing get bigger and better, you know.
All right, start from here and tell me what you've brought. What's that?
So this is couscous.
Couscous.
It's not the couscous perfume.
What is couscous?
So couscous is from a plant, and it's kind of by process because it have a couple different wheat make it up.
Yeah, it
right?
almost look like rice almost.
Yeah. And it's easily prepared, and you can use it as a salad, and this form of rice, you can use it rice.
I don't want you to come
So,
around here. This ice cream?
So nice cream. We don't call it ice cream because we don't move. So it's strictly plant. And you know that's healthy, Neville. I really want you to taste it, you know. Can I let you taste it?
Little bit.
No, man. You see, because a plant. See that? So it have sea moss in it.
The nice cream.
Coconut.
Nice.
Nice cream, nice. Not true?
What's this?
That's a no-bake, gluten-free, sugar-free cake. So it's not bake, it's not going in an oven.
So how you
no
get
flour,
it like that?
The powers of the Most High, man. When you're there by yourself, you can do so many things.
So you just put it nice on? How you get it like that?
How I get it like that? It's just putting things together and make sure what you're doing is compatible.
Okay, what's this?
So this is a quinoa. You remember me come on the set with quinoa. So this is a quinoa porridge with sea moss, and the topping is very, very nice. I really want you to taste it. May I feed you this morning, you know, because you deserve it. See that? So that's a coconut topping. Coconut with sea moss and cashew and all of that.
I know what this is.
So this is a garden salad. You can just have that.
Yep.
And you see, you know this. What is this?
Beetroot.
And what is this?
Carrot.
And what is this?
Cucumber.
God, my youth, you're bad. Come here now.
And what is the dressing?
It's a natural. Me not tell them secret, man. Come out of my business, na Rasta.
This is a callaloo lasagna.
Callaloo lasagna. This a shot. You have to taste one little piece of it.
This one, man.
Little
bit, man.
What you talk about little bit? You too little for little bit.
I'm going like she bully me, say little bit.
You too little for little bit, Rasta. What you talk about? Open your mouth. Hush. Come in at this. You not taste nothing yet. You see this? At the dapper. You hear about moringa? Very good, you know. So I make a lentil.
I drink moringa tea.
You drink? Yes. So I make a lentil soup, which is easily prepared, because that's what we are here to talk about, you know, how easy you can prepare stuff. So like this now, you just soak your moringa. See how it's nice? You just soak your moringa, and you just soak your beans. Always have beans soaking as a vegan if you want to maintain a vegan lifestyle and a healthy lifestyle.
What you mean by?
Always have your beans soaked, because when your beans soak, you will be able to prepare it easily and it's healthier.
Yeah.
All right.
What is this fella here now?
Boy, we have to go call the show. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? So this is broad bean, and this is mushroom. You don't know we always are create.
Yeah, but
what
I
you
don't
talk
want
about?
that.
You want like saying I want taste now mushroom.
No, I don't
All
want
right,
that.
we wrap up. What you want? You want this?
What is that?
This is tofu. So we have a bami wrap.
Oh, and what is this?
This is ackee and seaweed. So because we don't eat saltfish, we just use the seaweed. This
Ackee and seaweed.
So ackee and seaweed.
You don't eat ackee?
You don't eat ackee? Why you not eat ackee?
You know, I just don't eat ackee. All right.
All right, so you not taste this.
What is that?
This is the confident juice, man.
Confident?
Yep. Tell me how it tastes, and then me tell you what.
I taste something that I know.
See my some meringue lemonade. When I give this all the time, I out. Or you not
So I say I taste something that I know.
All right. Good.
Glad to see you.
Glad to see you too. Thanks for having me. Smile Jamaica Morning Time.
If someone wants to get more involved, how them can find you?
Just give me a shout out on my Instagram, DM, Ital Vegan Goddess, Facebook, Amadana.
Love you.
Bless.
Owner of Ital Vegan Goddess, Amadana. Go and like shape. I want to bully me. I like this still. I'm going to take more of that. So come back.